Hello, little adventurers. I'm Parrot, and today we're diving into the magical enchanted forest with my fantastic friends. Are you ready for some fun? First up, we have the dazzling peacock.
Hi, little ones. I'm Peacock, and my feathers are like a beautiful rainbow.
Look who's joining our forest adventure. It's Camel.
Hello, young explorers. I'm Camel, and I have a hump that helps me store water for long journeys.
Here comes our furry friend, Bear.
Hey there, kiddos! I'm Bear, and I love to explore the cozy corners of the Enchanted Forest.
Last but not least, say hello to our quacking friend, Duck.
Quack, quack! Hi, little adventurers. I'm Duck, and I love splashing around in ponds.
Aren't my friends amazing? Now let's hear a little bit more from each of them.
And Peacock, and my feathers are so colorful and beautiful.
I'm Camel, and I have a hump that helps me carry water for our journeys.
I'm Bear, and I love to snuggle up in the cozy spots of the Enchanted Forest.
Quack! I'm Duck, and I enjoy splashing and quacking in the forest ponds.
We're all set for a magical adventure in the Enchanted Forest. So, little ones, are you ready for some fun with us? Great! Stay tuned for more exciting episodes with me, Parrot, and my wonderful forest friends. Until then, keep exploring and having fun in our Enchanted Forest.